Assalamu alaikum dear students, class 11, unit ionic equilibrium. और टॉपिक जो है आज का दैट इज टॉपिक है ionic product of water. Ionic product of water. Ionic product of water. We know that we have the electrolytes. इलेक्ट्रोलाइट इज अ सबस्टेंस जो हमने ऑलरेडी से डिस्कस किया है कि इलेक्ट्रोलाइट उस सबस्टेंस को कहते हैं कि विच गिव अस आयन्स दैट्स कॉल्ड एज एन इलेक्ट्रोलाइट. सो वाटर इट आल्सो एक्ट्स एज एन इलेक्ट्रोलाइट बट इट इज अ वीक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट. इफ वाटर act as an or water is a weak electrolyte, it ionizes and it ionizes as follows. H2O reversibly gives me H positive plus OH negative. Or we can say that water, एक वाटर मॉलिक्यूल ने H पॉजिटिव रिमूव किया एंड अनदर ने एक्सेप्ट किया H3O पॉजिटिव और OH नेगेटिव. इस तरह से भी हम लिख सकते हैं आयोनाइजेशन ऑफ वाटर. और दिस आवर इक्वेशन फर्स्ट. ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं दिस अकॉर्डिंग दिस सेकेंड इक्वेशन थ्रू मतलब के जरिए भी हम एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं द आयोनाइजेशन ऑफ द वाटर विच दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द सेल्फ आयोनाइजेशन ऑफ दिस इज कॉल्ड द सेल्फ ionization of water. So water जो है is a weak electrolyte. अगर ये weak electrolyte है, electrolyte is a substance which give us ions. So if water is an electrolyte, so it must give us ions. So water it gives me H positive and the OH negative. But this is a weak electrolyte, so there is equilibrium between the H positive and OH negative ions and the water molecule. This can be also shown like this in the form of the second equation, and this is called as the self ionization of the water. अब हम equation first को लेंगे, इसको हम apply करेंगे law of chemical equilibrium. Apply law of chemical equilibrium. Apply law of chemical equilibrium. लॉ ऑफ केमिकल इक्विलिब्रियम क्या कहता है? इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट जो होता है किसके बराबर होता है? प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द मोलर कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ प्रोडक्ट डिवाइडेड बाय द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द मोलर कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ द रिएक्टेंट. सो यहाँ पर प्रोडक्ट जो है दैट इज H पॉजिटिव आयन इनटू OH नेगेटिव आयन डिवाइडेड बाय द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ द वाटर. Where this K it is called as the dissociation or the ionization constant of water. This is called K is called dissociation or ionization constant of water. In this equation we have the equation that is K is equal to the concentration of H positive and concentration of OH negative divided by the concentration of the water. This is our equation second. In this equation, you see the water is a weak electrolyte, so its ionization is very small. The concentration of the water in the denominator is taken as constant. So we have concentration of water is taken as constant because this is a weak electrolyte. It ionizes to a small extent, constant. So अगर हम इस constant को इसके साथ multiply करेंगे K into concentration of water is equal to concentration of H positive into concentration of OH negative. This K into concentration of water, this is denoted by, this is written as Kw, that is equal to the concentration of H positive into concentration of OH negative, where Kw is called the ionic product of water. सो अगर हम डिफाइन करेंगे नाउ आयनिक प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वाटर, जो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है, आयनिक प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वाटर में बी डिफाइंड एज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द मोलर कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ H positive ions into the and OH negative ions, that is called as the ionic product of water. And instead of H positive, we can also write here as H3O positive hydronium ion concentration and the hydroxyl ion concentration. So ionic product of water may be defined as the product of the molar concentration of H positive and OH negative ions. This is called as the ionic product of water. So ionic product of water may be defined as the product of, so ionic product of water may be defined as the product of the molar concentration of H positive and OH negative ions. आयनिक प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वाटर. सो आयनिक प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वाटर में हमने क्या कहा कि वाटर जो है दैट इज अ वीक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट, इट डिसोसिएट्स टू अ स्मॉल और इट आयोनाइजेस टू अ वेरी स्मॉल एक्सटेंट. व्हेन इट आयोनाइजेस टू अ वेरी स्मॉल एक्सटेंट इट गिव्स मी H पॉजिटिव आयंस एंड OH नेगेटिव आयंस. फिर हमने अप्लाई किया इसको लॉ ऑफ केमिकल इक्विलिब्रियम वेयर वी गेट K इज इक्वल टू कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ H पॉजिटिव इनटू कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ OH नेगेटिव डिवाइड बाय कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ द वाटर, where जो K है it's called as the dissociation constant or the ionization constant of the water. It is not this K, it is totally different from this KW. K is called as the dissociation constant or ionization constant of water, whereas KW is called as the ionic product of water. So यहाँ पर इस इक्वेशन से, सेकंड इक्वेशन से हमने क्या डिराइव किया, हमने कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ वाटर को कांस्टेंट किया, क्योंकि वाटर जो है दैट इज अ वेरी वीक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट, इट डिसोसिएट्स टू अ वेरी स्मॉल एक्सटेंट and hence its concentration is kept constant. So we have this constant multiplied by the concentration of the water, that is Kw, that is equal to the product of the molar concentration of H positive and OH negative ions, where Kw is called as the ionic product of water. So we have an important this equation derived here, that is Kw जो है किसके बराबर है, H positive ion concentration into OH negative ion concentration. Kw is equal to concentration of H positive into concentration of OH negative. Or we can also write it as Kw is equal to concentration of H3O positive ion into concentration of OH negative ion. So ionic product of water may be also defined as the product of the molar concentration of hydronium and the hydroxyl ions, H3 positive ions and OH negative ions. Instead of the H positive, we can here write H3O positive ion. This is ionic product of water. The value of the ionic product of water is constant at constant temperature. Temperature का बहुत बड़ा रोल है, इफेक्ट है on the ionic product of water. At 25 degree centigrade temperature or 298 Kelvin temperature, ionic product of water जो है that is equal to 1.008 into 10 raised power minus 14, or we can simply write it as Kw is equal to 1 into 10 raised power minus 14. Value of ionic product of water at 298 Kelvin, that is equal to the 1 into 10 raised power minus 14. This is very important. Now for pure water, so we say here ionic product जो है that is equal to the product of the molar concentration of H positive and OH negative ions, or it is the product of the molar concentration of hydronium ion and the hydroxyl ions, and its value, it depends upon the temperature. It is constant at a particular, the value of the ionic product of water is constant at a constant temperature. So at constant temperature of 25 degrees centigrade or 298 Kelvin temperature, the value of ionic product of water is 1 into 10 raised power minus 14. And for pure water, प्योर वाटर में क्या होता है कि कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ H पॉजिटिव है, कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ H पॉजिटिव इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ द OH नेगेटिव आयंस. सो ये न्यूट्रल होता है, जितना इसमें H पॉजिटिव आयन एसिडिक हाइड्रोजन एटम्स होते हैं उतने ही बेसिक OH नेगेटिव आयंस होते हैं. तो नेट इफेक्ट दैट्स न्यूट्रलाइजर and the water is neutral. And here we have, if we substitute the value of this here, Kw is equal to H positive into concentration of OH negative, that is called the H positive. So we have Kw, that is equal to 10 raised power minus 14, 1 into 10 raised power minus 14, that is equal to the 14, 1 into 10 raised power minus 14, that is equal to H positive into H positive, that is H positive square. So this becomes 10 to the power minus 7 square is equal to concentration of H positive ion square. Square and square will cancel out. The H positive ion concentration, that is equal to H positive ion concentration, that is equal to the 10 raised power minus 7. So for pure water, this Kw, or the concentration of H positive, that is equal to the 10 to the power minus 7. So this is ionic product. This is the definition of the ionic product of water. Ionic product of water में आपको यह कौन सी इक्वेशन याद रखनी है? That is Kw किसके बराबर है? Concentration of H positive into concentration of OH negative ions, and the value of Kw is equal to 10 to the power minus 14. ये दो इक्वेशंस आपको याद रखनी है in the ionic product of water. Now what is the effect of the temperature on the ionic product of water? Ionic product of water, effect of temperature on ionic product of water. जितना हम टेम्परेचर को इंक्रीज करेंगे तो आयनिक प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वाटर जो है उतना ही ज्यादा वो इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि आयोनाइजेशन जो है दैट इंक्रीजेस विद इंक्रीज इन टेम्परेचर. सो आयनिक प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वाटर इंक्रीजेस विद इंक्रीज इन टेम्परेचर बिकॉज देयर इज मोर एंड मोर आयोनाइजेशन और डिसोसिएशन ऑफ द वाटर एट a very high temperature. So ionic product of water increases with increase in temperature because ionization of water increases with increase in temperature. वो टेम्परेचर का ये रोल है कि अगर हम टेम्परेचर को इंक्रीज करेंगे तो आयनिक प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द वाटर जो है वो इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि वहां पर आयोनाइजेशन ज्यादा होगी. तो कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ द H पॉजिटिव एंड द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ द OH नेगेटिव आयन दे आल्सो गेट इंक्रीज्ड. दैट इज रिगार्डिंग द आयनिक प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वाटर. द आयनिक प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वाटर सो है किसके बराबर है? H पॉजिटिव टू OH नेगेटिव. और आयनिक प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वाटर दैट्स कॉल्ड द वैल्यू इज कॉल्ड 10⁻⁴. नाउ वी हैव अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक इन दिस यूनिट, दैट इज द pH. pH. Now what is pH? pH, it is a Danish word. It is a Danish word. Potens dehydrogen. Dehydrogen is derived from the Danish word potens dehydrogen, which means power of hydrogen ions. जो pH है उसको डिराइव किया गया है फ्रॉम द डेनिश वर्ड दैट्स पोटेनस dehydrogen. pH का मतलब है पोटेनस डी हाइड्रोजन, विच मीन्स इंग्लिश का ट्रांसलेशन का इसका इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन है पावर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन आयन. सो वी हैव टू डिफाइन नाउ द pH. pH किसे कहते हैं? नंबर फर्स्ट डेफिनेशन ऑफ द pH इज pH. pH it is the magnitude of the negative power to which 10 must be raised to express the hydrogen ion concentration. पहले हम डेफिनेशन लिखेंगे, फिर हम इसका मैथमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन लिखेंगे, वहीं से हमें समझ आ जाएगा कि pH किसे कहते हैं. सो इट इज द magnitude of the negative power to which must be raised. Negative power to which 10 must be raised to express the hydrogen ion concentration. है क्या? pH क्या है? pH है the negative magnitude of the negative power to which 10 must be raised to express the hydrogen ion concentration. That this is the mathematical expression of the pH. So what is this? It is the magnitude. ये x जो है, this is the magnitude, negative magnitude जो हमने रेज किया है किसको? 10 को. किस लिए? to express the hydrogen ion concentration. This is called as the pH. जो ये magnitude है, जो x है, this is pH. So it is the magnitude of the negative power. ये magnitude है negative power का जो हम रेज करते हैं किसको? 10 को. to which 10 must be raised to express the hydrogen ion concentration, that is called as the pH. So यहाँ पर है concentration of H positive, that is called the 10 to the power minus x. So minus x जो है, that's the magnitude of the negative power raised to 10 to express the hydrogen ion concentration, that's called as the pH. So ये हम equation first, this is our equation first. अब हम इस equation first को अप्लाई करेंगे log on both sides. So we have first definition of this pH. It is the magnitude of the negative power to which 10 must be raised to express the hydrogen ion concentration, that is called as the pH. Now we have the equation, first equation of the pH, that is we have mathematical expression of the pH, that's concentration of H positive is equal to 10 to the power minus x. जो ये x है इसी को हम कहते हैं pH. So हम इसको अप्लाई करेंगे log, apply log on both sides. So we have log of concentration of H positive is equal to log of 10 to the power minus x. अब हम इस x को यहाँ लाएंगे. Log of concentration of H positive is equal to minus x log of 10. अब log 10 किसके बराबर है? That's equal to 1. So we have log of concentration of H positive, that is equal to minus x, as log of 10 जो है that's equal to 1. So what is this x? It is pH. Log of concentration of H positive is equal to minus pH, or pH is equal to minus log of H positive ion concentration. This is the second expression for the pH. This was the first expression for the pH, that is the concentration of H positive ion is equal to the 10 raised to power minus x. हमने क्या किया, हमने फर्स्ट डेफिनेशन ली पीएच की, वहां पर हमने डिफाइन इसको किया दैट पीएच इज इक्वल टू, पीएच इज द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ द नेगेटिव पावर टू विच 10 must be raised to express the hydrogen ion concentration, that's called as the pH. So concentration of H positive is equal to 10 to the power minus x, x को हम कहते हैं pH. फिर हमने इस इक्वेशन को अप्लाई किया log on both sides, we get, तो यहाँ आ जाएगा, पावर को हम यहाँ लाएंगे तो यहाँ पर बन गया दैट्स log ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ H पॉजिटिव इज इक्वल टू माइनस एक्स log ऑफ 10. So we have log 10 that's equal to the 1, we have log of H positive and concentration is equal to the minus x, while x जो है that's equal to the pH, और log of concentration of H positive is equal to minus pH, और इसको हमने यहाँ लाया negative, or pH is equal to the minus log of H positive. So from this expression we can also define the pH as negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration, that is called as the pH. The negative logarithm of H positive ion concentration is called pH. अब हम इसी एक्सप्रेशन को और थोड़ा सा मॉडिफाई करेंगे. ये यहाँ पर है -1, इसको हम ऊपर फिर से चढ़ाएंगे वैल्यू एज pH इज इक्वल टू log ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ H पॉजिटिव रेज्ड पावर -1. इसको अगर हम यहाँ लाएंगे तो फिर से यही इक्वेशन हमें ऑब्टेन हो जाएगी. सो वी कैन ऑल्सो राइट इट एज pH इज इक्वल टू log ऑफ 1 डिवाइडेड बाय हाइड्रोजन आयन concentration. So pH may be also defined as the logarithm of the reciprocal of hydrogen ion concentration, that's called as the pH. So logarithm of reciprocal of H positive ion concentration is called pH. So we have following three definitions of the pH. First one, that is the concentration of mathematical expression for the pH, that's called concentration of H positive, that's called the 10 to the power minus x. Similarly, then we apply the log and we get the another expression for the pH, that's pH is called minus logarithm of H positive ion concentration. फिर हमने इस इक्वेशन को और मॉडिफाई किया, then we get the another equation for the pH, that is pH is equal to the minus logarithm, not minus, that's logarithm of 1 divided by concentration of H positive ions. This is the definition and the mathematical expressions of the pH. Now we have pH scale. The value of the pH, different solutions have different pH depending upon the concentration of the H positive, because we know that pH is equal to the minus logarithm of the hydrogen ion concentration. So pH is equal to, जो important expression है pH के लिए, that's minus logarithm of H positive ion concentration. अब solutions में different solutions में different concentration होती है H positive ions की. So different solutions have the different pH. Different solutions have different concentration of H positive ions, so have different pH. The value of the pH जो है, that ranges from, the value of pH ranges from 0 to 14. This is pH. What do you mean by the pH scale? The value of the pH ranges from this one. So if we have the, अभी हमने बोला कि concentration of H positive ion is equal to concentration of OH negative in the ionic product of water, that is what is the, for pure water. For pure water concentration of H positive ion किसके बराबर निकला था हमें, 10 to the power minus 7. Now what is this 7? It is pH. For those solutions, the concentration of H positive ion, that's called the 7, those solutions are neutral क्योंकि उनमें concentration of H positive is equal to concentration of OH negative. H positive की वजह से solution होता है acidic in nature because we know that the acids are the substances which give us H positive ions, and concentration of OH negative की वजह से solution जो होता है that is basic in nature. अभी हमने derive किया from the ionic product of water that for pure water concentration of H positive is equal to concentration of OH negative. फिर हमने वहाँ से derive किया था कि concentration of H positive is equal to 10 to the power minus 7. So if we have this first expression जो हमने अभी लिखी थी, that is concentration of H positive is equal to 10 to the power minus x. So अगर x के बदले here is 7, इसका मतलब ये है कि concentration of pH जो है solution का pH is equal to 7 for those solutions where concentration of H positive is equal to concentration of OH negative. Such solutions are neutral. Such solutions are neutral. So neutral solutions के लिए हमने याद रखा कि जो pH होता है न्यूट्रल सॉल्यूशंस का वो होता है 7 के बराबर. अब वो सॉल्यूशंस जिनमें कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ H पॉजिटिव ज़्यादा होगी तो ऑब्वियसली उसका pH कम होगा क्योंकि वो नेगेटिव पावर है. सो वी हैव नंबर सेकेंड. फर्स्ट पॉइंट आपने याद रखा कि जो न्यूट्रल सॉल्यूशंस होते हैं उनका pH जो होता है दैट इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू 7. नाउ वी हैव number second. First one was for neutral solutions pH is equal to 7. Number 2, for acidic solutions जहाँ पर concentration of H positive ion ज़्यादा होगी तो obviously उसका pH कम होगा क्योंकि हमारे पास इक्वेशन है H positive ion concentration that is equal to 10 to the power minus x. So we have for acidic solution concentration of H positive ion is more than that of the OH negative ion concentration, and hence its pH is less than 7. For acidic solutions pH is less than 7, and for basic solutions वहाँ पर concentration होती है कम H positive ions की as compared to the OH negative ions, and hence such solutions have pH greater than 7. For basic solutions concentration of H positive ion is less than concentration of OH negative ions, and hence pH is greater than 7. Such solutions are basic in nature. So this is the pH scale where we have the value of the pH जो होता है that ranges from 0 to 14. And we have this neutral solutions whose pH is equal to 7. For क्यों 7 होता है क्योंकि वहाँ पर जो in case of neutral solutions concentration of H positive that's equal to the concentration of OH negative ions, and hence the pH is equal to 7. For acidic solutions उनका pH less than होता है 7, and for basic solutions उनका pH होता है greater than 7. This was about the ionic product of water and the pH. Ionic product of water जो important equations आपको याद रखनी है वो यहाँ पर मैं लिखूंगी. Those are very useful reactions from the numerical point of the view. Number first है that is the Kw is equal to जो आपको याद रखनी है H positive ion concentration into OH negative ion concentration. ये है first equation. First expression. Number second expression Kw जो है किसके बराबर है 10 to the power minus 14. Number third है pH का that is concentration of H positive ions that is equal to the concentration of H positive ions that 10 raised power minus x or 10 raised power pH. Then we have another important equation, fourth one, that is the pH is equal to minus log of H positive ion concentration. एंड इसी तरह से हमारे पास है दैट्स pH इज इक्वल टू लॉगरिथम ऑफ 1 डिवाइडेड बाय कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ H पॉजिटिव आयन। ये इक्वेशंस आपको याद रखनी है क्योंकि हमें आगे जाके न्यूमेरिकल्स करनी है बेस्ड अपॉन दीज expressions. So this was all about today's topic, that is the ionic product of water and the pH. Thank you so much.